every city in America is different.
Right.
All the laws are different. So the first thing I would do is I'd come here, I'd hire an accountant and attorney,
Okay.
and then I would evaluate your markets.
Right.
And then I would buy or not buy.
Right.
Like I don't own any property in California
Right.
because it's a communist state. I own nothing in New York City, communist. Okay, but I own Arizona and Texas. The laws are different, so you have to know the laws. You can't be stupid.
Right. Right. So most people make that mistake. They're like, I have so many people coming up to me, hey, I read this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it says you have to buy houses and give it for rent. But in India,
I didn't say that. I said your house is not an asset.
Right, house is not an asset, yeah.
And when you miss, it's called financial literacy.
Right.
What is the definition of the word? If it puts money in my pocket, it's an asset.
Correct.
If my house is taking money from my pocket, it's a liability.
Yes.
Has nothing to do with real estate.
Right. Correct. So yeah, most people confuse that with saying I'll buy the house and I'll only live in it. And that doesn't
Liability.
That becomes a liability. And most people have a very hard time digesting that. Right?
Because they don't go one more house beyond it,
Yes, they cannot. I mean,
They think like poor middle class peasants.
They spend 30 years to buy that one house.
Yeah.
How will they afford the next house? Right? Then they have to worry about their retirement, their kids' education, their kids' marriage, their kids' house. So it's no way winning that game.
Everybody wants the easy answer.
Right.
They want to win the lottery.
Right.
They want to be a soccer star.
Yeah.
They want to be a Bollywood star.
Yeah.
And as you said already, they're broke in 10 years.
Right.